The Easy Setup 10x10 gazebo was sold at Walmart. To determine if this is the correct replacement canopy for your gazebo, please refer to the manufacturer model number MS17-301-004-20. The model number should be located on a tag on the original canopy or instructions manual. The size of the frame is 10 by 10 square and is 2-tiered. A few key identifiers for this gazebo are L-shaped corner panels with plant shelves, cathedral-type design at top of each panel, vertical bars at bottom of each panel, finial arrow ornaments at top, center, and at each corner of the frame. Product note: Walmart sold 2 gazebos that look very similar but are different in size. The Easy Setup Gazebo was sold in 2017. Please refer to the manufacturer's model number to verify which replacement canopy will fit your frame. Gardenwins offers a replacement canopy designed to fit the Easy Setup Gazebo. Our canopies are offered in multiple grades of fabric, from standard 350 to our exclusive Riplock 350 and Riplock 500. Riplock is made with triple thread grid lines that add durability to the canopy. Our canopies also have Dura Pocket construction with Ultra Stitch for added strength. If you have any questions, call, text, or email us. We're here to help.